Today, I'm going to teach you how to make stir-fried mushrooms with pork. Slice the pork belly into thin slices. 2 to 3 millimeters is the best thickness. Wash the mushrooms and tear them into strips. Blanch the mushrooms in boiling water for 2 minutes. This will make the mushrooms tender and flavorful. Drain the mushrooms and pat them dry. Don't add oil to the pan. Add the pork belly slices and stir-fry over medium-low heat. Stir-fry until the pork fat renders. Next, add the onions, ginger, garlic, and chili peppers. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip the chili peppers. Pour in cooking wine and soy sauce, then continue to stir-fry. Add the mushrooms to the pan. Add dark soy sauce, salt, and chicken bouillon. Stir-fry everything together until evenly cooked. Stir-fry until all the ingredients are evenly cooked and colored. You can also try other types of mushrooms. They will have different textures and flavors. Use medium heat to prevent the pork from getting tough. Remember that. Learn more Chinese dishes? Subscribe to my channel.